KTTC.
Shar Carey is out of town today. We're so happy Pam Egler could be here from Paws and Claws to tell us all about our Paws and Claws Pet of the Week. This is Gretel, and she was a stray found with her brother Hansel. And Hansel has a family, and now it's Gretel's turn.
Yep, they came in on about the 12th, and then we had to hold them for a little while because they were strays, but they've had their shots, and they've been spayed and neutered, and like you said, Hansel's already gone home. Gretel here is the smaller of the two. She is only 6 months old, so she's still a puppy. So she'll get a little bit bigger, but she is the calmer of the two. She did really well in the car. She loves people. It was all I could do to get her past the hallway because she wants to love up on everybody.
She is just a sweetheart, isn't she?
Yep. And like everybody, like all of our animals, especially the younger ones, we want people to take them to puppy classes because not only does it teach the animal the proper manners and how to be a good dog, it also creates that great bond between owner and animal.
So she would be a great pet for somebody who's really looking forward to establishing that relationship early on.
Yep. Yep, she's got a lot of growing to do and a lot of learning to do, and she'd love to learn it with somebody before Christmas.
Oh, she's a beauty and such a sweetheart. Well, if you would like to learn, she says you're right. If you'd like to learn more about Gretel, you can go to our website, kttc.com/pets, where we have a link to Paws and Claws. Pam, it was great to see you.
Thanks, Jeff.
We'll be right back.